We spent some time in the woods with Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 8-inch pruning saw, and let me tell you, this thing does not disappoint. We're gonna go through this guy top to bottom. Stay tuned. The Milwaukee Fuel M18 Hatchet has an 8-inch bar. You have 2,600 RPM or 5 meters per second as far as how fast the chain goes. That equates to about 975 feet per minute. You have an automatic oiler in here. This holds about 2.5 ounces of oil. You have an adjustment here with a Strench on board, so you can get into that. We'll go through that later. Variable speed trigger, which I think is something that is awesome to have in this saw. But at the same point in time, 99% of the time, you're gonna be running this wide open. Very nice trigger. It gets up to speed very, very quickly. If you look inside here, we have metal bucking spikes. These metal bucking spikes are something that you will use as you push this through some of the wood, and it will cut very impressively. I love the M18 model of this because it has a nice, small, easy to hang on to handle. Doesn't have that big battery that goes inside there. Very comfortable. You have knuckle guards up front if you want to put your hand in here. You have a lanyard strap in the back. You can use this with any M18 battery. Let's get in and do some cutting. The M18 Hatchet was designed for professional trimmers in mind, and that shows while you're using it. We're using this saw to clean up our woods a little bit, get some of these smaller trees and limbs that have fallen down out of the way, and also trim some things up for spring. I'll tell you, this saw cuts like butter. It is nice to have those metal bucking spikes to get in there and just kind of let the saw eat, and the chips that are coming out are just awesome. This saw weighs 4.9 pounds with no battery. If you move up to the 12 amp hour heavy duty battery, it's gonna weigh 8.6 pounds. So it's very easy to maneuver through the woods, carry with you, get around different trimming objects, different branches, do some cutting, and just get things out. I absolutely love that. I don't have to have a large saw with me, and I can set this saw down and just move on. And it's easy for me to kind of have something small, put things in the Ranger and just work with it. I absolutely love that part about it. Now on the power side, what I really like about it is I can get into a larger tree if I'd like to and continue just to cut it up into smaller pieces, either for firewood or just to carry it out. And I can continue to cut with that, use those metal bucking spikes to get a little more pressure on that chain, and that chain will actually perform quite well. Now this is a smaller chain with a 3/8 inch pitch. It is a low kickback chain, so it's very important to keep this thing sharp. They show you how to file a chain in the instructions. If you don't know how, watch a YouTube video on it, but keep that chain sharp and it will absolutely perform well. Very hard to get this unit to bog down and stop, although if you are going to really put some pressure on it, make sure that you understand kickback and how you're going through wood and what's going to happen. But realistically, you're just using those spikes to kind of chew down through the wood. You're not really trying to force it. Very, very powerful and nice saw for doing that style of work. The M18 Fuel Hatchet is currently priced at $279 bare tool. The M12 Fuel Hatchet, which is a little bit smaller and has a smaller bar on it, is priced at $199. Me personally, I absolutely love the power of the M18, the versatility of the batteries because I have a ton of them and I don't have to switch battery sizes, and the handle size of the M18 much more. I just really dig what's going on here, and everything seemed to work just perfectly for me on the M18 side. You might want to look at the M12 side. It all depends on what you're looking at. The automatic oiler in here delivered plenty of oil for the chain, and I think that is awesome because that's something that can wear out quickly if they don't get a lot of oil. There's enough oil inside the reservoir to last you quite a bit of time if you're going to be doing a lot of cutting on the larger logs that are out there. You might see a shortened period of battery runtime, mostly because you're putting a lot of pressure to get through those logs and there's quite a bit more to cut. But with that said, an 8 amp hour battery is probably going to last you 3-4 hours out in the woods cutting, trimming, moving things around. So if you were actually doing pruning or something like that, you would have no issue getting probably a whole day's worth of work out of an 8 amp hour battery. I like that we have an onboard tool here. This is great. You're out in the middle of the woods. You just want to get in here, take things apart. No issue. That was pretty tight from the factory. No need to have it that tight, but we're just taking this apart to show you what's on the inside. This is your tensioning system and where the bar is at. So obviously you're going to use this as your tensioner. That's going to move things forward or back. I'm loosening it a little bit so I can get this out. Here is your bar. Some people I've read online are putting a much larger bar in this. I don't know if you have the chain speed, but you definitely have the power to do so if you wanted to. You can see all the oil and everything up in here, which is great. This is something you should take apart and clean up. It's nice to get this stuff out of here. This is your automatic oiler, and you can see I have quite a bit of bar and chain lube coming out of it. Again, I think that part is absolutely awesome. You have your spindle here doing 2600 RPM. Pretty cool little system that Milwaukee has in these hatchets. I like that they're putting something together that's useful for just about everyone out there. The chain on this, I would like to see something a little bit more aggressive, but I understand why Milwaukee is putting in a low kickback chain. A lot of people or saws come with that from the market, and you know, it is what it is. If you could order up some different chains for that, I would be absolutely thrilled. Something a little bit more aggressive. You might not have to put the same pressure on that as you would this one to get it to cut well, but either way, this thing absolutely is awesome. Look, there's the right tool for the job, and sometimes it's a gas operated saw, sometimes it's a battery operated chainsaw, and many times it's this M18 Hatchet for me. I like to have something small that I can just bop around the woods with, cut what I need to, get in, get out. But obviously if you're gonna do larger trees all day, you're gonna want something a little bit larger, a little bit faster, and you're gonna deal with the extra weight in what you're carrying there. It all depends on what you're doing, obviously, but to me, even at $279, this is a buy. It's a lot of money, but at the same point, there's a lot of quality here, and there's something that's gonna last a long time, and it's going to give you that advantage. If you are a pruning, especially professionally, a lot of cool features on this, but just as a guy who's doing stuff like I am, cleaning up, it gives me the ability to throw this inside the Ranger without taking up much room. I can carry it in the woods without having to worry about where is my saw, what's happening, is it hot, is anything gonna burn up stuff, lots of things like that. That's something that's cool with the battery operated stuff. It's not cool to catch the woods on fire and, you know, have leaves and stuff around in a gas situation. I don't have to carry gas with me while I'm out there, although batteries can be a little bit more limiting. There's pluses and minuses to everything, but this tool right here is absolutely awesome, and for me, a must-have. So if you're looking at it, you got my seal of approval on this. I think you'll be more than impressed. I'd love to hear your comments below. Give us a like in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.